Hello and welcome to AWS Certified Solution Architect course. In this video, we will discuss some command line reference to AWS. So as we have launched some instances earlier, some Windows instances, then we can use some command line tools to manage these instances. So for Windows, we can use PowerShell to manage, and AWS provides PowerShell tools, AWS tools for Windows PowerShell for command line reference. So we will just install it, AWS tool. It's 68.3 MB, so it will take some time. So let's wait for this tool to be downloaded, and then we will install it and we will use it to access AWS resources. Now, as you can see, the AWS PowerShell tool is installed, is downloaded. Now we'll install it. I will accept the license agreement. Next, install. We will wait for some time till the tool is installed. So as you can see, the AWS tool for Windows setup has been installed. Let's finish it, and now let's find it, Windows PowerShell for AWS. So it will open the Windows PowerShell prompt. Now we need programmatic access to AWS. So we have to create a ID which should be having access key and secret ID. So let's go to IAM and create a user with programmatic access. I will go to user. I'll create add user. Username will be test01. We want programmatic access as well as management console access, or for this case you can just use programmatic access. Now let's give permission. Let's give administrative access to this user. Next, review and create this user. Now as soon as the user is created, we got a download button here, and we cannot download these credentials a later part of time, so it's only one time accessible. So what I will do, I will just use this ID and secret access key to log into AWS. Okay, I think we have to include the AWS module here. Let's pause the video for a moment. So as you can see here, the module is located at C program files, AWS tools PowerShell. So we'll just import the module, and then we need to put it in quotes since there is a space in between. Before this, we have to allow scripts to be running on this AWS console. So for that, we have to set our execution policy to remote signed or unrestricted. So let me show you execution policy. I've just changed it to unrestricted. It was previously restricted, so that is why it was not able to get this script. So for changing this, you can use set execution policy, and whatever the policy you want, remote signed, even remote signed will work. So I'm just setting the policy to, or we can go with the current one, unrestricted. So now since this is already having unrestricted, so we will go and configure. So after importing, when you again open the Windows PowerShell, you will get this. It will ask you to enter your access keys. So let's go to the user details. There we can copy and paste the access key, then secret key. This is the secret key. We can just copy and paste it there. We can specify a region. So let's see what is the region we are using. According to that, we can specify the region. So we are using AP South 1 region. So you may ask why we are not including A, because this A, B or C, this suffix, if we add this suffix, it will be a availability zone. However, the region will be AP-South-1. So let's go there and give this region. So now it's loaded and we can now just run commands and know about our AWS environment. So there are two EC2 instances right now. Similarly, we can get some other details, security groups. So these are all the security groups that are present. So this way we can take advantage of CLI mode using PowerShell for Windows Server. You can even use help to get information, and you can use some commands like help, and in double quotes you can use some, just like security. If you want something related to security, you can just type security in double quotes and you can use the full parameter. It will give you all the commands related to security. So in this way you can utilize AWS PowerShell for managing AWS infrastructure. So these are all the commands related to security which you can use. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. We'll meet in next lecture.